sustainable livelihood has the potential to enhance income and social life of poor and marginalized households. National Association of Man for Mankind, NAM, a social development organization, has adopted this approach and impacted the lives of many rural households, especially of women. With the support of Tata Power Community Development Trust, NAM implemented a livelihood program in 40 villages of Jajpur district of Odisha. Sukanti belongs to Barabanki village in Jajpur district. She stays with her husband Fatturam, 2 children and her in-laws. The family possesses a small land which they cultivate during agriculture seasons.
पनीपरिबा विशेष करि पारनु जमी बाड़ी नाही.
Sukanti's family was looking for an alternative livelihood opportunity to enhance their income. Sukanti's Fatturam got enrolled in NAM's livelihood interventions and decided to start mushroom farming.
डेढ़ फुट काटिबे काटला बरे रखिबे एटा रहिला डेढ़ फुट एमिति आवरे आपण काटिया पड़िबो.
They participated in the training organized by NAM in association with Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology.
नाम तरफरु सार माने आसीथिले आम गाँ को गोटे ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम रे डाकिले. मोर स्त्री एवं मु 2 जण गलु एवं मागणा रे ट्रेनिंग दिया हला एवं अर्थ राशि 30,000 टंका सहयोग भी देले.
The family started the mushroom farm in its backyard with just 20 beds. Now they have more than 400 beds and plans to take it up to 1,000 beds.
आगो को किछि बड़ आकार रे छोटो करिबी एवं ए आखो पाखो लोकन को काम दाम किछि जुगेबी.
Kanti spends more time in the farm, while Fatturam supports her along with agriculture work. With the increase in production, they are selling mushrooms in the local market and making profit.
आजिर युव पीढ़ी को मो तरफ रिक्वेस्ट रहिबो जे मो भलिया छतु चाष करी केमती उद्योगी हेबे 2 पैसा रोजगार करिवे.
This had motivated many others in nearby villages, and NAM has developed a mushroom production cluster in the area, where more than 10 households and more than 100 individuals producing mushrooms. Reena Purti lives with her family in Jamposhi village of Nadia Bhango Panchayat in Jajpur district of Odisha. Reena's family have small piece of land where they generally cultivate paddy. In order to meet their requirements, Reena and her husband used to engage them as agriculture laborer.
मोर जमीबाड़ी किछि नथिबारु आ बहुत समस्या रे चढ़ी आसुथुलो. काम धंदा भी ठीक से मिलेनी.
But none of these activities were generating enough income to provide a good life to her family. Reena attended a comprehensive training on goat rearing organized by NAM.
नाम रो सार माने आसिक हमको बुझाई थिले छेड़ी चाष करबा पई. छेड़ी को केमते छोट रो बड़ करा जाए, छेड़ी को केमते मेडिसिन दिया हबो. ट्रेनिंग नेबा पर बे घर हमको नाम रो सार माने आसिक बुझाई थिले.
She had decided and with support started goat rearing activity in the village. Reena started with 4 goats and now have 35 of them.
तो एबे हम समस्या टिके दूर हो जाइछि. तो आगो को भी किछि हमें आउ टिके उन्नति करे पे चाहू छ.
She took up this activity as she could do it along with her labor work and household chores. As there is a high demand of goats, Reena is expecting a good return this year.
तो मो जमिति मो लक्ष्य स्थल रे आसिक पहुंची छे समिति को भाई भौणी माने बेकार अछंती. से भाई भौणी मानन को मो अनुरोध करूछि मो भले छेड़ी चाष करके उन्नति होंतु.
Madhusudhan Pingwa lives in Ankurapala village in Jajpur district. In 2018, he was enrolled for doing his BTech degree but had to discontinue the study because of financial crisis at his family front.
मो पाठ बीटेक करतली तो फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम जो मु आगु को पाठ पढ़ी पारलिनी चाकरी बाकरी तो मिलला नहीं हताश होकर रही गली
He looked for some job to meet the financial requirements, but also failed in getting so. Madhusudan came across NAM team, which motivated him to start an initiative of honeybee farming. NAM team trained him on this and provided support for the initiative.
नाम जड़े रश्मिशा नाम जड़े आम सहित टच आसले आम गाँव को आसते तो से कहले तुम्हें पाठ तो बहुत पढ़ीच आमती तुम तो बहुत कम पिला पाठ पढ़ी जोटा कि बहुत आजीविकार से बहुत अग्रसर अच्छा तो से मत मो चाष विषय मत कहले तो से आम गाँव किसी युव मान को लेकिन ट्रेनिंग गोटे आयोजन करते से ट्रेनिंग मत बहुत भल लगे तो से मुझे 20टा बक्स नहीं आसती
Madhusudan has put 20 boxes for bee farming and has a plan to make it 100 boxes in coming years.
एबे बर्तमान पाखापाखि 50 ରୁ 60 हजार वार्षिक आय होची तो आगु को मु रखी कि आहुरी केमती अधिक बढ़ेबी बक्स गुड़ाक पाखापाखि 100 ରୁ 200 जो कि वार्षिक आमर 4 लाख अधिक रोजगार हो तत्सहित आम ग्रामर जो बेकार युवक युवती अच्छा भी मो द्वारा इंस्पायर हो पारे.
Currently, Madhusudan is earning 50 to 60,000 rupees annually and expects an increase in income in coming days. One of the focus of livelihood intervention by NAM has been promoting collective action. As part of this, NAM worked with Ma Mangala SHG of Alekpur village to promote an entrepreneurship initiative.
आम छुआ पिला पाठ पढ़ार असुविधा है पैसा पाइलु नहीं खाଇବା पिवा बहुत असुविधा है तापर आम पाखापाखि पड़ोशी मानक मुझे देखिली से समस्या सम्मुखीन होती तेणुक आम 10 जण माँ बसिक एकाठी होकर भाविलु जे आम गोटे ग्रुप करवा से किसी संचय करवा.
10 members of the group are trained and supported to establish a disposable plate making unit.
नाम तरफ आमको किसी आर्थिक सहायता दबार आम गोटे शिल्प अनुष्ठान गठन कर 10 जण माँ से काम करके आज एति बाटर पहुंचीछु.
The cost towards the machine and unit was arranged through the bank loan and the group is paying back the loan by the profit earned from the unit.
सप्ताह को प्राय 8,000 मासु को 30-32 हजार टंका बिक्री है आमर मिनिमम 10,000 टंका बाहर लाभ.
The unit is providing earning to all the women members of the SHG group.
आग को मुझे युवपीढ़ी मानक ये कहूँ चाहूँगी जे से माने बेकार न बुलिकी से ये किसी संस्था करके आग को बढ़ंतु.
As a part of collective action for livelihood, NAM initiated a program called Dhaga to build tailoring skills of women and provide them income opportunities.
आमे प्रथमे घरे बसिलु किछि हमको जाना नथिला ताबे नाम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन माध्यम रे सिलाई में शिक्षा नेलु.
In 2019, NAM has started the tailoring training cum production center in Baragadia village. In this center, women and adolescent girls are provided training to be tailoring masters.
नाम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन माध्यम रे इलेक्ट्रिक मशीन रे मध्ये हमको ट्रेनिंग दिया गला.
The girls and women undergo training to make different wearable items for women and the produced items are sold in the market to generate income for them.
साया ब्लाउज कुर्ती मास्क तैयारी करी बिक्री करलु.
During this COVID-19 pandemic, Tailoring Center has produced 10,000 masks and they were sold in the market.
सिलाई शिखिबा द्वारा किछि आर्थिक उन्नति हला जा माध्यम रे कि आमे एबे रोजगार क्षम हेई पारलु एवं पिला मान को भलरे पाठ पढाई पारछु आ निजे मध्ये भल भाबरे चली पारछु.
With the support of Tata Power and Industrial Energy Limited, NAM has been successful in impacting lives and livelihoods of the people. The livelihood opportunities is not only enhancing income but also strengthening social life of the women and individuals. NAM intends to further intensify this process.